All right, guys, back in, we got Gary T. He's going to try 3 boxes of the brand new 2014 Leaf Legends of the Link Golf. You guys know that I am a big golf fan, big golfer, so I'm pretty pumped up about this one. All right, Gary, good luck. Hopefully we can get something good here. All right, we'll start off with a 1 of 1. This is pretty awesome. All right, 1 of 1. PGA Championship champions. Dave Stockton. And on the back, we've got Jeff Sluman. 1 of 1. And then our scorecard. This is from the, I believe from the Memorial. 1997 Memorial. Tom Weiskopf on the front. And then it's attested by Jim Dent. That's pretty cool looking. Really like that. Shot 73.
Boo.
1 over that day. Box number 2. These are $89.95 a piece. These things are awesome, man.
This is pretty cool.
I know. I had a feeling this was going to be pretty sweet.
So you get a cut and a scorecard?
Yep. All right, this one is U.S. Open champion Steve Jones. Nice. Looks like it's cut right off of a scorecard.
Yeah.
Number 2 of 18. And this one is nice. Raymond Floyd.
Those 4s look like sailboats.
Yeah. Raymond Floyd. Ameritech Senior Open. Kemper Lakes, Long Grove, Illinois. Shot 72, even. And the last box.
It's a tiny little one.
Numbered 6 of 20. Gabe Brewer, Masters champion, 1967. Numbered 6 of 20. And the scorecard is Geo Archer. Shot 2 under that day, and that is from, I believe, the Tradition. Yep, the Tradition. Good stuff, 1994. All right, Gary, very cool, buddy. Appreciate it. Very neat looking product there. I think Leaf hit a home run with that one. All right, buddy. Appreciate it.